Hi everybody, this is Jim with YouTube user JimLiElevators, and today we got an unboxing to do. Before I get started, first of all, happy Friday everybody. I hope you are all enjoying your wonderful first start of the fall season. Summer is officially over, being that it's so increasingly hot outside. But now that fall is here, summer is now officially over. So you are now able to enjoy the beautiful weather for some fresh air. Now going forward, as you see on my YouTube channel site, look to your right. You see that? See what this is? You know what that means? I have reached to 90 million views. So, all I want to say to you is thank you so much for 90 million views. I can't believe y'all have gotten me up to this far. So, all I have to say is thank you so much for reaching me to 90 million views. Okay, now going back to this. So anyways, this package right here came from none other than Schindler Elevator from Morristown, New Jersey. That's right. This package came from Schindler Elevator. I wonder what Schindler has sent me this time. And also to say this, I recently got done watching a recent unboxing video that Chris did for the very first time. I'm sure a lot of you guys know that specific elevator enthusiast from based out of San Diego, California. He is YouTube user Traction151. Not only that, he did his first own unboxing video from Mitsubishi Electric, but he also mentioned me inside the video. So, Chris, if you're watching this video, normally I don't give shout outs to people unless if they're ones that I can safely trust and that I decently know them well. So this is a response to YouTube user Traction151. So Chris, if you are watching this video, all I have to say to you is thank you so very much for mentioning me. Although I didn't really expect it to happen. But still, I really appreciate it anyways. So, with that being said, as we get on to this unboxing, I think I can safely say that I can also double this video in response to Chris's unboxing video he just uploaded. I think not too long ago. I can't remember. I believe it was last week ago. But anyways, now that I got my phone light on, I can see even better now. And so is this knife. With that said, we're ready to go. Alright, now bear with me as I do this. I think we start from down here. I'll be very careful with this thing, because I almost got it. Alright, looks like it should be open now. Now, just as a fair note, please don't worry as I am not copying anyone, so just don't worry about a thing. Alright, looks like this should be open now. Yep, I got it to open. Alright, I wonder what's inside there. I got a notepad from Schindler. Cool. A notepad. I wonder what else is in here. I can feel something hard inside there. Oh wow. Schindler Elevator gave me some more Schindler magnetic clips, and I got a keychain. Wow. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Schindler Elevator. I'm going to have to open this up later off camera. Schindler actually gave me some more extra Schindler clips. Oh yeah, I could see why, because look at this one right here. This one just sadly broke. You see, there used to be like a spring loader in there that goes out like this, and if you let go, it'll snap back. But unfortunately, that piece broke, and I'm not able to find it anywhere. So yeah, I got a Schindler Elevator notepad, and I got an extra set of Schindler magnetic clips, a keychain, and a pen that has a Schindler logo on it. So yeah, this is awesome. Thank you so much, Schindler Elevator. And also, believe it or not, look what that is hanging on my door. That is my Schindler Elevator shirt I got off from eBay. So no unboxing video is complete without showing that. So I'm going to try to get this open. So, alright, here's a much better view with the bag that I got open. See? I got a keychain that says Schindler on it, as well as some brand new Schindler magnetic clips, and it works. I got another one of these same exact things, and it's definitely mint condition too. Looks like this one is off-centered a bit. Yeah, they kind of are a little off-center. And here's a much better view of this pen right here. You got the, once the camera will focus, you got the Schindler logo on it. And down there is the link that you can visit their website. I'm not sure if you're able to see it due to the plastic wrappers in the way. There, now you can see a much better view. So here's a much better close-up view of these items that I got. 2 Schindler Elevator magnetic clips, Schindler Elevator keychain, and a Schindler Elevator pen. I think I recently had a white one, but unfortunately the logo is smearing off badly and it's showing its age. So here is a much better view of these items. And here's an even more better view of these items after they have been out of the bags. With that being said, thank you so very much, Schindler Elevator, for this wonderful item. Just to let you know, I strongly apologize that I haven't been able to get through this over the last several weeks because I have been extremely busy with school to the point I hadn't had any chance of doing this, but now I did because I just got done with a lot of homework and other things that were due yesterday. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, Chris Carson, also known as Traction 151. I hope you like this video as this is done in response to yours since you have given me a mention to the point where you deserve a shout out. Once again, I don't really do shout out videos unless if it's a person I know well enough I can trust. But with that out of the way, thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.